Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about addition, grouping, and place value. Here I draw a double 10 frame, and it's a double 10 frame because if you can see, have two sizes and have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So have 10 squares. That's the reason that it's called a double 10 frame, because it's a frame that have 10 squares. And I make two here, okay? So I'm gonna draw one unit. And this is my one unit. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have here on my double 10 frame, I have 10 units. I have 5 in this size and 5 in this size. Okay, so the total 5 plus 5 is 10. So that's the reason that it's called a 10 frame unit, and I have 10 dots, 10 units that I draw here. Okay, so now we know automatically when we see this 10 frame with the 10 dots, how many we have there? 10, exactly. 5 and 5 is 10. So what happens if I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? How many units I have in this double 10 frame? We have, exactly, we have 5. So now I'm going to write the number right here, 5, and here I have 5 plus 5, that is equal, I'm going to put it here so you can see it better, 10. So I have 10s here and I have 5. Okay, so now automatically when we see this, we're going to know. When we see this with the 10 dots, automatically we know that we have 10. And how many do we have here? 5, exactly, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's represent this in an addition. So if I have 10 units plus, I'm going to add 5 that I have here. How many do we have in total? Do we need to count again 1, 2, 3, 4? No, we don't need to do that because we already know that we have here 10. And here, we don't need to count again because we already automatically, when we see this, that this is a 10 double frame, and we have only 5 dots, then we have how many? 5, excellent. So 10 plus 5 is what? 15, exactly. Do we need to start counting again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, we don't need to do that because we already know that we have 10 and we have 5. And 10 plus 5 equals 15. Excellent job. Now, that's one way that we can add, and we can also grouping. Okay? We're grouping. We don't need to start counting 1, 2, 3 because I already have a group of 10 and a group of 5. This is one way that we can do grouping. Now I'm going to show you a word problem. If my mom give me, let's see, 10 cookies, and dad came here and he gave me how many? Excellent! 7 cookies. How many cookies do we have total? We know that we have here 10, and how many we have here? 7. Excellent job! So 10 plus 7, then now we have 7 equals 17. So this is a way that we can add and we can do group. Something very important that we need to learn is the place value. What is a place value? Each number have a place value. Let me give you an example. Like here, number 5, the only number 5, this call is in the ones place. So I'm gonna write right here so you can, ones place is only 1. But if I write here, number 10, okay, the 0 is in the ones place. Let me put it here. And the 1, let's put it right here, is in the 10th place. And this is very important to know, the place value of each number. So here on number 5, which place value is number 5? Is it ones or is it tens? It's in ones, exactly. Number 5 is in the 1 place. And number 1 here is in the 1 place or is in 10 place. Exactly. The second number here is in the 10th place. So each number have a value. So if I write the number here, let's see. Let's put here 12. So 12, okay, they have one group of tens and 2 more, okay? So number 2, in which place value is number 2? Exactly, is in the ones. And number 1 is in what? Is in the 10 value. 10 place value. 10 place, exactly. Okay? Another thing that I'm going to show you today is how to do addition in a different way. We learned already how to add grouping, and now here in the bottom I have a number line. A number line, we can use it also to add, okay? And let me put some numbers here so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I made a number line with 20 different numbers, 20 different places, okay? And we can use a number line also to do addition. I told you earlier when I did the word problem that your mom give you 10 cookies. So let's mark here the 10 cookies that mommy gave me. So let's start from here, number 1. And we're gonna go all the way here to number 10. Mommy gave me 10 cookies. But daddy was so nice to me and he gave me 5 more cookies. Okay, so let's show here in the number line the 5 cookies that daddy gave me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Daddy gave me 5 more cookies. So how many cookies I have total now? Exactly. We have 15 again. Do you see the number that we count earlier? Look, it's right here again. So 10 cookies that mommy gave me, and then daddy gave me 5 more. Now I have 15. So this is another way that we can do and show addition. I add 10 plus 5 equals 15. It's not awesome? This is another way that we can do addition. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much.